welcome back to a new episode and episode 6 of the FJ build. So if you watched the last episode, you would know that Jack has been busy sandblasting all of these panels behind me.
Yes, I have.
And I haven't been very helpful, but I'm here today, so I'm going to try and change that.
This is Megan's job for the day.
Thank you. I didn't actually realise that I was going to be helpful today. I thought I was going to be laptopping, so hence the attire.
She's definitely dressed for the occasion, isn't she, guys?
Yeah, luckily I at least had my hiking shoes in the car, so I'm just rocking them with no socks because I came in slides.
Classic.
And Jack's found me a little, what's this called?
It's called a sander.
No, not this shirt.
Oh, Megan's borrowing my shirt. But anyway, enough about Megan's clothes. Look at the panels. They have come up so nice after sandblasting. They're going to come up a treat when we finish priming them. Even the bonnets come up nice as well. I decided to cut out a bit of steel on the rear cab, the upper section, and welded in a new piece there because I was not happy with it. It was too rusty. So we've got some bog on there and we're going to get it nice and smooth again and make the body look just perfect. So that's going to be Megan's job. I'm sure she'll be good at it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to be doing some priming. We're going to prime all the panels, all the tray panels, everything. And it's going to be lots of fun.
Hopefully we can get a full sentence out without the noise in the background
going
at some point.
There's a lot of noise in the background, so we apologise for that. So let's get into it. Look what we found. How good does Megan look? All right, let's get you sanding. So grab the sander and we've got to connect it up to this hose here. And it should have we'll start with a bit of 40, so.
Oh yeah, 40, yeah.
So this is 40 grit sandpaper.
Definitely know what you're talking about.
You start low and then you work your way up to finish it nice and smooth. So it goes up to we'll go up to 120. All right?
Okay.
This plugs into the bottom.
Okay. Just plugs or?
No, you need to pull that back. All right, we got there in the end.
Got there eventually.
That was a bit of a struggle. Okay, so get the mask on. You know what a mask is.
Goes that
Yes,
way?
it goes that way, yep.
And then, wait, hang on.
We all know how to wear masks now because of COVID.
Not this way though, because they just.
Oh, you still did it wrong?
Too.
You've done it wrong.
Where's this guy?
That's meant to go over your head first.
Oh. What?
Yeah, that's it. You got it somehow. All right, so
It's not rocket science.
Yeah, you got it. With this sander, you just press this button like this.
Okay.
Like an accelerator on a car. But you can't go, you can only go one speed. So once you press it, no matter how far, it just goes full speed.
I broke it.
You broke it. Whoop. There you go. All right, so make sure you're nice and flat on it.
Yeah.
We're not going to do it with the machine too much. We're going to move on to hand movements.
Oh, okay.
So I just want to see, I want to have a laugh at you trying to do this.
Rude.
All right, so just, not there, only on the bog. We're trying to get this bit nice and so it looks factory, you know?
So do I start, do I have to start before I put it on it, or does that?
No, start before and then you'll work it out. Just go for it, mate. Yep, that's it.
I didn't even do anything.
Yeah, good job.
It doesn't feel like it's good.
Yeah, that's good. How's that look? It looks good. Looking pretty good. I reckon we just finish it off with a light sandpaper.
So I just do that with my hands.
Yeah, and then so that it feels pretty good. It looks good as well. So I'll let you finish it off.
Do I do circles or what?
Just go up and down. Yeah.
I hate that feeling.
In the high spots, you'll feel where the high spots are. So just run your hand over it.
But shouldn't I be trying to be getting rid of these little bumps as well?
Yeah, but they'll go as you're sanding.
Okay.
But just maybe here, there's a bit of a high spot, and down here. But you'll get the gist of it.
The gif or the gist?
The gist. I said gist. All right, let's do it. Alrighty, Megan, what do you reckon? You can be the judge.
I feel like I'm too much of a perfectionist for this sort of thing, because I would just like keep rubbing at it until there was nothing left.
Megan will be here all day, guys. I'm happy with it if you're happy with it. I reckon it's pretty good.
Enough, I guess.
It's come up nice. All right, so now we got to prime all of these. We got to hang those up on the wall behind us, so we can like what I've got the tray there. So we'll hang them all up along there, and let's get painting. Are you excited?
Sure.
Alright guys, we forgot to write our list for the day. So Megan's writing it now. What was first on the list? Sanding the body filler, which is all done. I actually sprayed some black spray paint over there to try and get all the high spots, and it's come up alright so far. So that's all done. Sanding the body down. Hang up the panels and check and clean. All panels are ready to go. Got all our panels, all the doors, the windscreen. Over here we got all the sides for the tray, and our 2 fenders over there. And next on the list, Megan?
You haven't told me yet.
We are
prime, isn't
going to prime it, yeah. I'm actually, so to clean, clean them, we're going to air them down, and we're going to give them all the white down with the cloth. And next is prime it, the most exciting part, eh? Yeah, I'm so keen. I'm so excited for primer. So yeah, priming, and the last one will be sanding, which we won't get done today, but we'll continue on tomorrow.
We'll be in the video though.
Yeah, it'll be in the video.
Everything we're going to do in the video.
Yeah, so sanding after priming, and give it a once over again, see that everything's alright, and then the next step after we sand the primer is paint it yellow. I'm pretty sure anyway. But I think
you're pretty sure it's going to be yellow, or you're pretty sure that's
mustard yellow. We're going to do it mustard yellow.
Yeah.
So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's our list.
Probably our
longest list.
Yeah.
Hardest.
I was going to say getting close to the
end
as far as episodes go anyway.
But there's a lot of hours.
Yeah, I feel like there's still a lot of hours to go, but episodes getting close to the end.
It is. We've done a good job. All right, let's get into cleaning. Let's do it. Alrighty, panels cleaned. Megan's done a great job of blowing them down. Now it's time to mix the paint. Now we're going to go a 4:1 ratio. My mate ran me through it yesterday, so we need part B and start with A. So we got part A is our paint, our primer that we're going to be using. So open that up, give it a mix. Oh yeah. There we go. Looks pretty good. And what we do mix is we pour it up to A.
Be careful.
Here we go. Is that A? Now for part B, we've got to put our whatever that is. What does it say? What is it? Oh, it's a hardener, sorry. So part B is the hardener. Now we go from A to B. So we'll go all the way to B. And that's B. And then we do 30% thinners, which is down here. Alright. And it's 30%. Now we mix it up. Like so.
This tanks look so intimidating with all of these warning signs.
Yes, it's a bit dirty in the paint shop today.
Today, every day.
But we'll get the job done. Right, so our paint's all mixed up and it's come up nice and beautifully perfect. Beautifully perfect.
Nice and beautifully perfect.
Straight out the dictionary. It's come up perfectly. So we're going to use a pressure pot. Get it all in there nicely. Alright, so apparently, screw this on. We attach our air to this bit. We attach our air here. There it is, it's pressurising. It should come out of here. That's just the thinners still coming. Here we go. Alright, got to adjust it. That's good. Alright, after a little dilemma, I've worked out what to do, and we've got paint. So let's get painting. Alright, so first pot all done. I've got a few runs over there, but I'm working it out. The gun's got a bit of adjusting in it, so I've got to work it out still. Before I forgot to use a filter when I poured it into the pot, so we've got to do that this time. So we're on to the second pot. We're just doing that part A, part B bit. So in goes the hardener now. And a bit of thinners. Have a look at the paintwork, Megan. It's come up nice. So, actually, what I'm...
Definitely can't hear you from right there.
Sorry, the fan's on in the background, but what I'm doing is, I worked out that if I go over once lightly, and then when I come back for the second time, I think it'll stop the runs from happening, because we're getting like, here I just went straight on, but now I'm getting some runs down here. It'll be alright because we can sand it off, but I don't want that to really happen because it's a bit annoying. So yes, hopefully that works. Megan, you gonna have a shot?
Yeah, definitely.
Megan's having a shot, guys. All right, I'll mix this up and we'll get going again. Righty, Megan, there you go. All yours, mate. Go ahead for it. Yep, that's it. Quick movement. Like this. Yep. And one way and then the other way. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so that was not easy. The bonnet's come up nice, but I got a few runs. I've actually got a lot of runs, but lucky we can sand it all out. That was, honestly, I thought it was going to be a lot easier than that.
You're fired.
I'd be fired for sure. But the doors have come up pretty nice. Look, actually there's a few runs there, but for a first time, I'm pretty happy with that. We've got all our panels over there, they've come up great. So we can prime the panels off your list, Megan. I was going to call you Michael just then.
Oh wow, please don't.
Right.
Pencil.
Where is your pencil among all this stuff?
I already did.
Tick, 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 tick.
Alright.
Alright, where are we up to? Sand panels. Alright. We'll do that tomorrow, eh?
Yeah, let's get the hell out of here.
Megan's got her party clothes on. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Just got back into the warehouse today and the panels look alright, but what I found on my little welding job that I did here on the side is there's still some imperfections in the paint. The primer really brought it up, and I can tell when I run my hand over it that there's kind of a little dent there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some black spray paint over the top, and then I'm going to give it a sand, and then it will really show if there's some black paint, which right here I reckon it's going to happen. If there's some black paint left over, that means we've got a bit of a low spot. So I'm going to fill it back up, give it a sand, and get this part right here nice and flat, because it's going to be exposed on the car, and it's probably going to be one of the first things you see. So I'm going to do that. There's a few little dents on the bonnet that have come up after I primed it as well, so try and get them fixed up. But yeah, otherwise all the other panels have come up so nice. I'm so happy with it. So we'll be sanding them today, getting them all ready for the final paint. All the panels over there as well have come up beautifully. So yes, it's all fun and games. It's going to be very time consuming, but let's get into it. Alright, so we do have some low spots here after giving it a good sand. We've got some black paint left over here and here. Exactly where I thought it would be, because I can feel that with my hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some body filler I got over here, and get it on there and see if we can get it nice and flat and give it one more sand, and hopefully it will come up like brand new. Alright, I'm going to leave that for about 15 minutes and we'll come back to it, give it a sand and see if we can get it nice and flat this time. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes and the filler's nice and hard now. It's crazy how quick that goes off with that hardener inside it. So that's ready. Also did a few on the bonnet here. Like that little dent I was talking about just there. Try and get that out, and one here and one little one here as well. So I'm going to get onto sanding all that now and make it brand new. Alright, bonnet and rear cab are done. There was 3 spots on the bonnet, 1, 2 and 3 on the front there. Now this one here was a standout. This was a big dent. It's hard to show on camera, but now it is just perfectly straight and I'm very happy with that. That's come up good. The rear cab section, absolutely perfect, mate. Nice and straight. Very hard to show on camera, but I'm quite impressed with myself with that one. So next step now is to get some primer on those bits where I've sanded. I ran out of primer last night, so I'll have to pop out and get some of that. But for now, I'm going to get onto sanding every single panel and getting it ready for the mustard yellow paint. So that's going to be fun, and I'm going to get straight into it. Alrighty, it is all coming along nicely. The bonnet has come up amazingly. I'm very happy with it. We're onto the doors now. Doors are coming up good as well. What I'm trying to get is that matte finish, so no shine is what my neighbours told me. So I think that's what's happening and it's looking good. But I'm going to keep going along, get it all done, and we'll see you when we're ready to paint it mustard yellow. Alright, it is a couple of days later and I've finally got the cab out. I've just sandblasted it and the sound deadening has come off so nicely. I couldn't be happier with it. We're about to pull this out of the sandblasting room, prime it up and get it ready for that mustard yellow. Unfortunately, we can't paint it for another week, so we're going to have to hold off, and we'll see you next episode when hopefully this cab is painted and we'll be putting it back on the chassis, and it's going to be a big day and I cannot wait. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next episode.